Best Gardening Gifts for Mom Reviews. The Nature's Blossom Bonsai Garden Seed Starter Kit. An awesome gift solution for the gardener in your life that you think has everything, or you're unsure what to get them. This is a unique seed starter set that embraces the hobby of bonsai gardening. Bonsai growing is quickly becoming a worldwide phenomenon that is not just part of the gardening hobby but an expression of creativity and art. This set starts off right with 4 different varieties of miniature trees in one gift set. The trees in the set include. They could be the best gardening gifts for mom: Pinus aristata, a pine-type species. Jacaranda mimicifolia, fern-type tree with purplish-blue flowers. Dilonyx regia, sometimes called the most colorful tree with bright red flowers. Picea mariana, a black spruce-type tree. They are 100% organic and GMO-free. The seeds in this kit are ready for planting, meaning no stratification is needed to prepare the tree seeds. Instructions are included with the kit on the planting procedure for each seed and emailed to the recipient. The entire bonsai seed kit includes 4 packets of tree seeds. 4 compressed soil pellets expand in water and get placed in the had 4 biodegradable pots for planting. There are 4 individual plant markers for marking the pots that each tree is planted in. I have had a lot of luck with Nature's Blossoms growing kits. They have a wide variety of different seed and growing sets available. I love that they 100% satisfaction guaranteed. If you do not love what you get from them, you let them know, and they will refund or replace it with something else. I love a company that stands behind its products. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.